Welcome back to 50 Car. When silence breaks into a V12 crescendo, the road trembles under the name Maserati. The 2025 MC12 returns as a reincarnation of a legend, more than a car. It is a defiance of limits. Revived with modern artistry and track-honed engineering, the new MC12 reestablishes Maserati as a sculptor of speed. It's not just a hypercar, it's a moving cathedral for those who worship adrenaline and beauty. The identity of the 2025 MC12 rests on its exclusivity and Ferrari-inspired DNA. With fewer than 100 units expected, it's built for collectors and dreamers alike. Carbon fiber from nose to tail, butterfly doors, active aerodynamics, and a thunderous engine define its soul. Each curve tells a story of heritage, aggression, and unfiltered Italian passion. The exterior dazzles in layers. Up front, the ultra-low-slung nose, aggressive intakes, and Y-shaped LED headlamps cut through air and expectation. The body's sinuous lines guide the eye toward the massive rear wing and quad exhausts that promise violent bursts of power. The proportions are extreme, wide and low, yet balanced by aerodynamic grace. Its pros lie in the uncompromising design and wind-cheating form, though parking or maneuvering it on tight city streets is borderline theatrical. Inside, the cabin feels like a cockpit more than a lounge. All Contraline bucket seats grip the driver, while the digital dashboard offers race telemetry, G-force meters, and AI-assisted drive modes. The flat-bottom steering wheel is clutter-free, with tactile paddles that invite a symphony of downshifts. Pros include its immersive racing environment and precision ergonomics, though older users may find the minimalist comfort and low seating height a bit unforgiving. Performance-wise, the MC12 delivers savagery in style. A naturally aspirated V12 produces over 800 horsepower, launching the car from 0-60 miles per hour in 2.6 seconds and pushing it beyond 220 miles per hour. The carbon monocoque chassis provides stiffness and lightness, while adaptive suspension makes it track-ready yet drivable. However, high maintenance costs and limited warranty coverage, especially on drivetrain components, could test loyalty. Positioned above $2 million, the MC12 targets elite collectors age 40-70, standing tall against the Aston Martin Valkyrie and Ferrari SF90XX. Driving it feels spiritual, raw, loud, and unapologetically Italian. Optional features include custom paintwork, forged carbon upgrades, and telemetry-linked helmet systems. Warranty? Sparse. But then again, gods don't carry toolkits.